Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, we are going to discuss about the opportunity of this particular stock of INDUSInd Bank based on Doji. So let me discuss on this video now. So there is a good opportunity, the Doji, which is present on the day one. This is the day where the market is started. The day one, the stock maybe the Doji may have the chances. There is opportunity both the sides. It's possible, right? And based on this was finding out by our scanners. So by single candlesticks pattern, you may be getting tomorrow the list of stocks where we can update on our Telegram channel. So a lot of stocks where it is forms a daily spinning top, top at bottom both are equal. Why? Because of this is the day one where we are using the condition as the monthly starting as the condition. So these are all the stock BHEL, Bajaj Finance, NBCC, Laros Lab. So all the stocks forming a spinning top, and Bata India forms a hammer candle. So let me find out Bata India, what kind of thing which is forms Bata India. It looks like a hammer candle. So let's see, the hammer candle is perfectly forming at the top. But this was the day one where the scanner will forms any stock which forms a hammer candle day today. So that is a Bata India. But if you are checking that the previous trend of the Bata India is keep on going up, so where if you find out the doji, sorry, hammer at the top, so may have the small chances of reverse. But it is not a reversal, maybe continuation, right? But the same hammer which is present in the bottom of the market would have best benefit where we can focus it out. So this may ignored, and I find out all the scanners which I shared you. So one of the good stock which we got it is the INDUSInd Bank. There is a confusion on the day one. May have the chances the stock can go up or go down. So the risk for the trade, and this is what the trade where I am going to take a risk around 1047 and 1024. So almost nearby how many points are the risk for the trade? 1047.9 minus 1024 is around 23, almost 24 point is the risk. So here the day one the stock forms a doji candle would have the confirmation tomorrow if the stock moves up or down, either the way. So we can focus for the trending opportunity. If it breaks above 1047 or 1048, so we keep the stop loss of 1024. So almost 24 point risk for the trade. If it breaks above the higher level, we can focus for a buying trade. And if it breaks below the lower level, we can focus for a selling trade. The risk for the trade is 24 rupees. Why I am focusing this? If you are seeing this, it is already moved a bigger in trend. And at the topest level, the doji were present. Means there is a chances of reverse back is huge, right? So there is a chances of reversal is high probability, but it may continue the trend. If it is continues the trend, it can even going higher and higher. So both the scenarios are possible. Either it can go for a bullish or it can go for a bearish, right? But the reversal in the trend would be high probability at this time, or it may be continues the trend also. But both the way we can focus around 1048 is the buy opportunity above if the stock crossed, and 1024 is the sale opportunity if it is crossed below the level. So there is a good opportunities in the stocks for a monthly basis. It's not for an intraday view. It is a purely a positional view if you are following a positional based trade, and you can apply the advanced strategies to here. Once it is breaks higher level, you can apply the advanced strategy like a 2.1, 3.2, or some other strategies also you can use. The future options, other strategies also use, because there is a reversal when the stock which forms at the highest level, there is a huge one. So in INDUSInd Bank, I focus for this month having the such a good opportunity at forms a doji, and also it is a highly volatile stock. So let me focus for this stock. So why I'm focusing always a higher level stock? Let I recently few days back I mentioned a video about IEX, How many of them are finding that video? I don't know. Let's look at this. This is what the hammer, which is forms at the lowest level. Like we are seeing the hammer in Bata India, which is forms at the highest level. So that is a reversal is very less. But if you are focusing this stock after consecutive down, this forms a bullish candle. That is the one of the scanner. And the second thing, it forms a hammer. Sorry, yeah, hammer candle. And where we got a buy opportunity around 155, and the stop loss for the trade is around 150, 5 rupees risk. And let's see, almost 11 rupees it increased. Already we discussed this stock on the live real video. Right, so there is an opportunity when we are going to buy the stock at the very lowest level, and if we are focusing the stock, sell at highest level. So that concept which I am focusing it for in India Bull, sorry, INDUSIND Bank. Let's go for INDUSIND Bank. What happened here? It forms a top doji or doji at topest level. Let's say here same like that hammer or a doji. So after that, can you see the movement? So when the doji candle which present at the lowest level after the trend, right? So there is a trend reversal would be a possible. So that is what the main concept. So this stock having 24-point risk. So maybe if tomorrow breaks the high or low, we can focus it for a new trade opportunity. That is the thing. And most probability why I'm believing that the reversal, because it is already gives you big rally. So after the rally, it may be a reversal. This signal may be a trend reversal signal. Maybe it may be, right? If the market breaks this level, and there is a possibility of trend reversal may also happen, right? So that is the key concept where I used, and I checked all the charts and all the scanners. This was the one of the best stock for this month of August. You can focus it for, and you can play well. And thanks for being with me. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you have any questions or a doubt, just comment in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more updates. Thank you so much. Thank you.